Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm here in the Curt Group booth, and I'm demonstrating the all-new Secure Latch heavy-duty line of products. So how this works is, as you drop your pintle, your lunette eye over your pintle, this latch mechanism will automatically engage. So if you happen to forget the pin, which we're not advocating, but if you happen to forget the pin, you don't have to worry about your trailer coming uncoupled. That thing swivels into place, you grab your pin, put it into the hole here, and you're good to go. Then also, down here, there's a much tighter tolerance with the lunette eye in the pintle, so as you're towing, you're not getting all that jerking and chucking and jarring. Hi, this is Joe, and I'm here at the Curt Group booth, and we're demonstrating our shock drop family of products. And inside of that family, we've got the cushioned ball mount, or the cushioned trailer ball, the rocker ball. So there's two pieces of polyurethane inserts in here, and so as you're starting or stopping, this ball is going to absorb some of the impact of your trailer and make for a smoother towing experience. And then in more heavy-duty applications, the Rebellion XD with a larger insulator inside of there, and the adjustability is going to make for a really smooth ride when you've got your heavy-duty equine trailer or something else that you're doing on the job site. Hi, this is Joe in the Curt Group booth, and I'm here with our brand new Better Way mobile towing scale. How this works is you plug this piece into the OBD2 port underneath the dash of your vehicle, and it transmits information to an app, and then that app allows you to calculate tongue weight, payload, trailer weight, helps you to set up your weight distribution, helps you to calibrate your brake controller. So it takes really all of the guessing out of towing setup and tow loading and all of those weight related things that are going through your mind going down the road. Takes all the guesswork out of that and makes it easy for you to make the right decisions and make sure that your vehicle and trailer are set up to tow what you're hauling perfectly. Here we are in the Curt Group booth again. We've got some brand new products for the 2020 GM trucks, so the Chevys and the Silverados and the GMC pieces. So this gooseneck's OE style gooseneck is a 38K capacity with the quick drop-in ball that you guys are familiar with if you're selling Curt already. And then we've got the new legs that feature 30,000 pound weight capacity, quick drop into the puck system and get you set up with your fifth wheel towing right away.